Hey riders and thrill seekers, Black Friday 2025 is rolling in early and the e-bike deals on Amazon are absolutely insane, with savings up to 50% for a limited time. From powerful mountain e-bikes to sleek city cruisers, we're revealing the hottest electric rides that blend style, performance, and pure value. Stay tuned to discover rare, trending models that'll elevate your commute and adventure before the big Black Friday rush begins. Number 1. Ayolny Electric Bike 1000 Watts. Unleash power and performance with the Ayolny 1000-watt electric bike, built for thrill seekers and daily commuters alike. Featuring a high-torque motor, long-lasting battery, and all-terrain tires, it delivers smooth rides whether you're conquering hills or cruising city streets. The sleek frame design ensures comfort and stability, while multiple speed modes let you control your adventure. Perfect for riders who crave both speed and endurance. This Black Friday, ride smarter, stronger, and farther. Number 2. Aelith DriftGod Electric Bike 1000 Watts. Rule the roads with the Aelith DriftGod 1000 Watts electric bike. Its powerful motor and precision engineering give you raw speed and smooth control on every ride. Designed for adrenaline lovers, this e-bike features dual suspension, fat tires, and a long-range battery for maximum performance. Ideal for city commutes or off-road fun, it combines durability with stunning design. Take charge of your next ride. This Black Friday, power meets perfection in every pedal. Number 3. Isinwheel Electric Bike Folding Compact, Portable, and Efficient. The Isinwheel folding electric bike is your perfect travel companion. Fold it, store it, and take it anywhere with ease. Equipped with a strong motor, durable frame, and quick charge battery, it delivers smooth rides across urban routes. Lightweight yet powerful, it's built for convenience and flexibility. Whether commuting or exploring, this e-bike blends practicality and fun, a must-have for smart riders this Black Friday. Number 4. Gotrax Electric Bike 500 Watts, 55 miles of experience, power, and precision with the Gotrax 500 Watts electric bike, delivering up to 55 miles of pure riding joy. Its advanced motor ensures fast acceleration, while the long-range battery keeps you going farther. With a sturdy frame, shock-absorbing tires, and ergonomic seat, every journey feels effortless. Perfect for city riders and weekend adventurers, it redefines value and performance. This Black Friday, get ready to upgrade your ride in style and comfort. Number 5. Hoverfly H3 Electric Bike 28. Me, the Hoverfly H3 electric bike brings fun and function together in one sleek package. Designed for urban mobility, it offers a 28-mile range, responsive brakes, and a lightweight build for easy handling. The efficient motor and smooth acceleration make every commute enjoyable and eco-friendly. Stylish, compact, and dependable, it's perfect for short trips or daily rides. This Black Friday, glide through your city with ease and confidence. The Hoverfly way. Number 6. Fcgeoi Electric Bike 1000 Watts. Take charge of your adventures with the Fcgeoi 1000-watt electric bike. Built for serious riders, it features a high-performance motor, extended battery life, and rugged tires for ultimate terrain control. Whether cruising highways or exploring trails, it delivers thrilling acceleration and unmatched endurance. Designed for both comfort and durability, it's ready for anything. Don't miss this powerhouse deal. This Black Friday, experience true e-bike excellence at an unbeatable price. Ready to feel real power under your feet? The next one's built like a tank but rides like a dream. Pure e-bike madness. Number 7. Kebiko Folding Electric Bike 1000 Watts. The Kebiko Folding Electric Bike 1000 Watts combines portability with pure power. Foldable, fast, and feature-packed, it's perfect for city commuters and weekend travelers. With a robust motor, long-lasting battery, and durable frame, it conquers any route with ease. Lightweight yet strong, it folds in seconds for convenient storage. This Black Friday, go further, faster, and smarter. The Kebiko e-bike is your ticket to effortless rides and epic savings. Number 8. MACFOX X1S 750 watt fat tire e-bike. Conquer every trail with the MACFOX X1S 750 watt fat tire e-bike, a powerhouse built for adventure. Its 750 watt motor delivers strong torque for steep climbs, while the 20 by 4 inch fat tires ensure unbeatable grip on snow, sand, or dirt. Featuring dual suspension, an extended battery range, and a sleek, rugged frame, it's made for both comfort and power. Perfect for explorers and commuters alike, this e-bike turns every ride into pure excitement this Black Friday. Number 9. Gotrax Folding Electric Bike, 40 miles per charge. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for commuting, travel, or leisure rides. The foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, while the strong motor ensures smooth, consistent power. Built for convenience and reliability, it turns everyday rides into adventures. This Black Friday, elevate your commute and embrace effortless travel with Gotrax. Number 10. Heybike Electric mountain bike, 1200 watts. Conquer every trail with the Heybike 1200 watts electric mountain bike, a true powerhouse built for adventure. Featuring a rugged frame, fat tires, and an advanced motor, it delivers explosive acceleration and superior traction on all terrains. With long battery life and smart controls, it's made for thrill seekers who crave performance and precision. This Black Friday, dominate your rides with unbeatable strength, endurance, and savings. Number 11. Lelekuai Folding Electric bike, 560 watts. Compact, powerful, and ready for adventure. The Lelekuai folding electric bike, 560 watts, is built for smart riders on the go. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, while the efficient 560-watt motor delivers smooth, dependable power for daily commutes or weekend rides. With a comfortable seat and durable frame, every journey feels effortless. This Black Friday, discover convenience, performance, and savings all rolled into one electric ride. Number 12. Isinwheel U8 Electric Bike, 1000 watts. Meet the Isinwheel U8 electric bike, your perfect mix of muscle and modern design. Powered by a strong 1000-watt motor, it offers quick acceleration, long range, and total control on any terrain. The sleek frame and advanced suspension system make rides smoother and more enjoyable. Ideal for city cruising or countryside exploring, it's engineered for riders who crave both power and comfort. This Black Friday, own the road with Isinwheel's ultimate electric performer. Number 13. Bluebiko Electric Bike, 1000 watts. Unleash your inner explorer with the Bluebiko Electric Bike 1000 watts, where power meets precision. Featuring a high-torque motor, long-lasting battery, and shock-absorbing suspension, it's perfect for both urban and off-road rides. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long journeys, while its rugged build promises durability. Whether commuting or adventuring, this e-bike delivers unmatched performance. This Black Friday, elevate your riding experience with Bluebiko's blend of strength, style, and serious savings. Number 14. Hiboy Electric Bike, 750 watts. The Hiboy 750 watt electric bike brings excitement to every ride. Its responsive motor, durable tires, and premium build deliver smooth performance for both city and trail use. Enjoy comfortable handling, impressive range, and effortless acceleration that make every trip enjoyable. Designed for modern riders who value versatility and design, it's your go-to for everyday commuting or weekend fun. This Black Friday, ride smarter, faster, and more stylishly with the Hiboy e-bike. Number 15. Funhang Electric Bike, 1000 watt power, comfort, and control. The Funhang 1000 watt electric bike has it all. Equipped with a robust motor and long-range battery, it tackles steep climbs and long rides with ease. The shock-absorbing design ensures smooth performance, while the ergonomic handlebars keep comfort in check. Whether for city commuting or outdoor adventures, it's a perfect all-rounder. This Black Friday, bring home the Funhang e-bike and experience freedom with every ride. This next beast is all about comfort and control, a true game-changer for riders who crave smooth power and serious performance. Number 16. Jasion Hunter Electric Bike, 1400 watts. The Jasion X-Hunter 1400 watts. Electric bike is a true powerhouse for off-road enthusiasts. With its high-performance motor, fat tires, and advanced suspension, it's built to dominate any terrain. The rugged frame provides strength and stability, while the long-range battery keeps you going farther. Designed for thrill seekers and daily riders alike, it redefines e-bike performance. This Black Friday, go beyond limits and chase adventure with the unstoppable X-Hunter. Number 17. Kebiko Electric Bike 1500 watts. Meet the Kebiko 1500 watts. Electric bike, engineered for raw power and elite performance. Its ultra-strong motor and extended battery range make it perfect for conquering steep trails or long-distance rides. The stylish design pairs with high-end components for maximum comfort and control. Whether you're cruising city roads or rugged paths, this e-bike delivers pure excitement. This Black Friday, take your rides to the next level with Kebiko's ultimate electric beast. Number 18. Insdrgn, a 14 electric bike, 650 watts, lightweight yet powerful. The Insdrgn, a 14, 650 watts. Electric bike delivers an exceptional blend of style and performance. Designed for everyday riders, it offers smooth acceleration, reliable battery life, and superior handling. The sleek design and ergonomic frame make it perfect for urban commutes and leisure rides alike. Built for convenience and efficiency, it's a rider's dream come true. This Black Friday, experience effortless mobility with Insdrgn's smart, stylish electric ride. Number 19. Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike 2000 watts. Dominate the road with the Cybervelo Folding Electric Bike 2000 watts, a true performance powerhouse. With its dual motor setup, massive torque, and long-range battery, it delivers exhilarating speed and endurance. Despite its power, it folds easily for portability and storage. Designed for riders who demand strength, flexibility, and innovation, it's built to impress. This Black Friday, ride with unmatched energy and style, the Cybervelo way. Number 20. Freego 26,000 watt electric dirt bike. Dominate any terrain with the Freego X 26,000 watt electric dirt bike, engineered for ultimate performance and thrill. Its dual 3,000 watt motors unleash crazy acceleration and top speeds, while the hydraulic brakes and full suspension ensure full control. Designed for off-road warriors, it tackles hills, dirt, and trails like a champ. With an aggressive design and long-range battery, this beast delivers power, precision, and pure adrenaline, a must-grab Black Friday deal. And that wraps up our list of the best early e-bike deals this Black Friday 2025. Don't wait, these 50% off discounts won't last long. Grab your dream electric bike, upgrade your ride, and enjoy unbeatable performance at unbeatable prices. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic Black Friday finds.